Okay, Craig here again, and welcome back. So in this video, what you're going to do, the next step is you're going to need a Binance account, and you're going to need to fund that Binance account with enough crypto for the same robot to basically trade for you. So if you don't have a Binance account, you click on you download the app, register here, and then log in as you would do normally. So I'm just about to log into my account. So I'm going to pause this video while I do and then come back to it. Okay, so I've just entered my login details. I'm going to log into my account now. And then it's going to take me through the security measures, which if you take note of all this, this is another reason why it's very safe for the using the bot, because all these security features mean that it's very secure. So you're very safe using this app and our trading software. So if you haven't got Google Authenticator set up, you should do, because it's obviously a very secure security measure. So I'm just going to log into my account now. You can see that I'm logged in. Okay, so there's a few things that you're going to want to do. One, you're going to have use BNB fees to pay for discount. So you need to have that swiped across, so it's on. Therefore, what we're going to do, the app's going to use BNB coin to pay for fees, so you get it as a discount. It's very little, so you don't need to worry about that. You're also going to need to fund your Binance account with enough funds to go on. So for it to work on the trial account, you're going to need at least 0.1 BTC all the way up to 0.25 BTC. Okay, that's just for the trial account. Once you've gone through the trial and you're happy and you want to upgrade, we have packages all the way from bronze, silver, gold, platinum and VIP. All those have different trade limits on there. So for example, platinum, you can have actually one Bitcoin in your Binance account that it'll trade with. Any more above the 1 Bitcoin and it won't trade with at all. And then you've got the VIP package where that'll trade up to 3 BTC for you. And then any more than that it won't touch. And then as you go down the packages, there's less amount. So the bronze would be 0.25 Bitcoin in there, and it won't trade any more above that if you have any more in your account. So you need to try and aim as high as you can, and you've got room to grow, and you can grow. I mean, I think I started my account with 0.5 Bitcoin in, and I'm up to 0.8 already. So as you can see, it grows nicely, and it works. So while I'm in here, you can see all these coins underneath. These are some of the coins that the app's bought on my behalf and will trade for me and then sell for a profit. But I just wanted to show you while we're in here in the app, just exactly what you need to do. So so what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to fund your Binance account with enough Bitcoin and enough BNB for it to trade with. So you need at least 1 BNB for it to trade for you. Obviously, that's going to give you enough to do all the fees. I put 3 in, a couple of months back, and it's only used 1.5. So don't worry too much about that. And you're going to need to put some Bitcoin in there. If you don't know how to do that, you can see I'm on the screen here. Click on deposit, and then select a coin there. And then you choose the search feature at the top. So BTC, you can see there, BNB there. And you just click on that coin, yeah? So I'm just going to click on Bitcoin there. It's going to give me an address there, so that I can copy that address, and that's my deposit address. So I'm going to buy some crypto from somewhere, and then you send it to that address. So all you do is you just click copy address, and you click that copy address button, and it will copy it for you. Okay, Now you can buy Bitcoin from Binance. I've never done it personally, and I believe it can be quite hard work if you haven't done it before. So what I prefer to do personally, I just use Coinbase. I come over here, I've linked my bank accounts and everything in there, and if I just wanted to buy Bitcoin, I'd just go over here, I'd go buy, and I'd buy some Bitcoin. Yeah, it really is that simple. So if I wanted to buy 0.25, sorry, 0.25, so you can see there, these arrows here will change it. So if I want to buy 0.2 Bitcoin, you can see that my Barclays bank account there is linked with my limit. So then I just click preview purchase and I'd buy it, and then it be in my account. And then right at the top here you've got receive, which is next to the top arrow. I understand that'll give you a wallet address. And you've also got send. So for example, say I just bought that 0.25. Click continue. It's obviously going to tell me I don't have enough funds because I haven't got any funds in this account. Click OK. But then the next page is going to ask me for an address to send to. So then all I'd do is I'd go to back to Binance, copy that address, put it into my Coinbase and click send, and it'd go there, and then it would land in your Binance account. Yeah, and you want to buy a little bit extra than what you want to trade with, because you're going to have to buy some BNB coin. So you're better off just buying a little bit more Bitcoin, and then right at the bottom here you see the funds account, funds, trades, markets, and home. I'm just going to click on trades, drop down that menu at the top. You can see it's going to take me there. I click on Bitcoin, BNB. Yep, so I'm going to go there. I'm just going to scroll till I find the BNB one. There it is. You can see the star next to it on mine. So all I do is I click on that, and it's going to ask me the amount of BNB that I want to buy. So say I wanted to buy 2, and then I just go buy, and it would buy it with Bitcoin. Okay, so then I just click buy. I'm not going to do it because I don't need any more. I just click buy, and then it's going to process the order, and then I've just come back out of that, and then eventually you'll see it in a bit. It'll end up in here with your BNB coins at the top. So that's what you need. So to start this trial account, you need over 1 BNB, preferably a bit more, and you want between 0.1 BTC to a maximum of 0.25 BTC for the trial account. And then once you set up everything, you'll be ready to go. So that is the end of this video, and that's where we'll leave it, and I will see you in the next video.